and welcome to Calculus 1 in Canvas. So because this recording is in your Canvas homepage, it's currently not visible in the view I have here as I record the video, but I am on the homepage of your Canvas course. Um, and below this video, you will see the following buttons. So for the very first, just to get started, simply click on this green Get Started button, and it will take you to the first screen to look through. And from here, you will simply scroll through by clicking Next to get to the next screen. Again, Next is at the bottom, on the bottom right. So to work your way through all the material in this class, you can continue to click Next. If we go back to the home page, you will also see buttons for our live class sessions, which will be Mondays from 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. or noon. These are optional. They will be a time for you to do practice problems, work with other students while the instructor is there live. You can also bring in any questions you have about the class or material for the class. Next, we have the modules button. So for when we first get started, that green Get Started button is where you want to go. But after that, you will be further through the course. And so you don't want to always start back at the beginning. So one option is to simply click on modules. And that will take us to the modules. So then you can scroll down to the week that you are to be working on and go ahead and jump in on the appropriate week and work through the material. We can then always just go back to home or whatever screen you're on. You can also click on modules on the side. And then beyond that, there is a link to the office hours page. Now, because my office hours are not at the same time every day, there will be different links depending on the day. So this office hours will just take you to a page with the links for the various days' office hours. The Learning Center button will take you over to the Learning Center homepage. You can from there get to the live tutoring for their math lab. You can also make tutoring appointments. If you look at the very left-hand side of the screen, there's Merit tutoring appointments, and you can schedule your tutoring appointments with a specific tutor there, or you can just drop any tutor from the Learning Center webpage. And finally, at the bottom, you can always go back to the syllabus by clicking syllabus, and you can also view all available support services, student support services from here. So this is your main home screen. Again, to get started, just go ahead and click on that Get Started button, and you can work your way through the course. All right, I look forward to seeing you online this semester.